Everybody, this is a brand new video on how to create a sticker pack message app. So you can see, just log on to your Xcode, you choose sticker message app. So this is the app that I've already created. This is, you put your icon here. You see, these are my icon, and where you can get them, you just go to flat icon. You see, you can download them here for free. So let me just run the app. You need no coding, just simple. This is it. Go back. Oh, we crash. So where the hell is going on? Okay. So let's run the back. We succeeded. So this is the icon that I created. Send. We send. Okay, this is the iMessage app. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video with your friend. Until then, see you guys.